So this is the individual welding competition. So I was told that they have about 66 different schools competing in this competition. They got a lot of different stuff going on. They got a timer up there. They only got so much time to complete it. This is SkillsUSA 2024 in Atlanta, Georgia. For those who want to sign up, you got to get signed up now if you plan to come here next year. So I will get signed up now. I talked to a lady and she said you really need to be signed up by the end of this week. So if you want to get signed up to come next year, you need to sign up now. So not the end of this week, next week, I'm sorry, I think she said Thursday. So you need to go on and get on it. So get on it, family, and get signed up. If you want to learn how to weld, if you have a school that want to participate in this contest, get signed up now. SkillsUSA competition, Atlanta, Georgia. They do this once a year. This year is from June the 24th through June the 28th. And I am here as your spokesman for Fume Dog Welding Ventilation Systems. Y'all make sure y'all sign up and come down and be a part of the next year's event. Hold on.